Hey everyone! Welcome to Copenhagen, the awesome capital of Denmark. This place is like a magical mix of old and new. Imagine walking on cobblestone streets, looking at bright, colorful buildings, each with its own cool story. And right next to them, you'll see super modern buildings and old castles. Whether you love history, yummy food, or cool art, Copenhagen has something for you. It's both cozy and exciting at the same time. They're proud of their Viking history, but they're also all about the future. Get ready for an amazing adventure because every corner of Copenhagen has something new to discover. Okay, so you're in Copenhagen. This city is a blend of historic charm and modern vibes, making it a must-visit destination. You have so many incredible places to check out here. Let's dive into some of the best spots you absolutely can't miss. First up, Tivoli Gardens. It's one of the oldest amusement parks in the world, dating back to 1843. Think exciting rides, beautiful gardens, and fun shows. It's a magical place, especially when it's all lit up at night. It's especially amazing during Halloween and Christmas, with special decorations and events that make it even more enchanting. Next, let's go to Nyhavn, the old harbor. This picturesque area is like stepping into a postcard. It's super pretty with colorful houses from way back in the 1600s. These historic buildings have so much character. Now they're restaurants and shops. You can sit by the water and enjoy a meal with a view, grab some yummy Danish food and enjoy the happy vibes. The street food here is a must-try. Don't forget to take a picture. This spot is perfect for capturing memories. Then, how about a visit to Amalienborg Palace, where the royal family lives? It's a stunning example of Danish architecture. You can watch the changing of the guard, which is a really cool tradition. It's a must-see event. And after, take a walk in the palace gardens. They're beautifully maintained and offer a peaceful retreat. Finally, you can't leave Copenhagen without seeing the Little Mermaid statue. This iconic landmark is a tribute to Hans Christian Andersen's famous fairy tale. She's from the famous fairy tale. Though she's smaller than you might think, her charm is undeniable. She's smaller than you might think, but she's still super charming. Make sure to snap a photo with her before you leave. Okay, we've seen the famous stuff, but now let's explore the hidden gems of Copenhagen, the places that give the city its unique charm and character. Let's start with Rosenborg Castle, a stunning Renaissance castle that houses the crown jewels and royal treasures. It's a place where history comes alive. The gardens surrounding the castle are incredibly peaceful, offering a perfect spot to relax and take in the beauty of nature. Next, let's dive into Danish history at Christiansborg Palace, the seat of the Danish Parliament. This place is steeped in history and political significance. Inside, it's incredibly ornate and grand. You can learn all about Denmark's political history and see where important decisions are made. Don't forget to climb the tower for a breathtaking panoramic view of the city. It's a sight you won't want to miss. Speaking of views, let's head over to the Round Tower. This iconic structure offers a unique experience. It's an old observatory, and instead of stairs, you walk up a spiral ramp. It's a fun and interesting way to reach the top. Inside, there are fascinating exhibits to explore, and once you reach the top, the view is absolutely breathtaking. Want something totally different? Let's visit Freetown Christiania, a unique and vibrant neighborhood. It's like its own little country within Copenhagen, known for its alternative lifestyle and community spirit. The area is famous for its art, cool cafes, and a relaxed, bohemian atmosphere. It's a must-visit for anyone looking to experience a different side of Copenhagen. Alright, time for some yummy food. Copenhagen is a foodie's dream. You have to try smørrebrød, the classic Danish open-faced sandwich. They're like little pieces of art, and they taste amazing. Later, let's check out the meatpacking district. It used to be factories, but now it's full of cool bars, clubs, and restaurants. Grab a fancy drink or a local beer and enjoy the energy. Copenhagen also has tons of festivals. There's the Copenhagen Carnival with music, dancing, and colorful costumes. Or how about Fastelavn, a traditional celebration before Lent? And if you love music, the Copenhagen Jazz Festival is a must-see. The whole city is filled with music, from small clubs to big concert halls. Okay, so you're ready to go to Copenhagen. This city is a blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication, making it a perfect destination for any traveler. The best time to visit depends on what you like. If you enjoy warm weather and long days, summer is ideal. Summer is warm and sunny, perfect for being outside. You can enjoy picnics in the park, boat tours, and outdoor cafes. Winter is cozy, with Christmas markets and pretty lights. The city transforms into a winter wonderland, perfect for sipping hot cocoa and enjoying festive decorations. Copenhagen is super bike-friendly, so rent a bike and explore like a local. Biking is one of the best ways to see the city and its beautiful sights. The public transportation is also great. The metro, buses, and trains are efficient and easy to use, making it simple to get around. You can find all kinds of places to stay, from hostels to fancy hotels. Whether you're on a budget or looking for luxury, there's something for everyone. Staying in the city center is easy, but the neighborhoods of Vesterbro and Nørrebro are cool too. They offer unique vibes, trendy shops, and great dining options. Copenhagen is a really special place, with history, culture, and modern life all mixed together. You can explore historical sites, modern architecture, and vibrant cultural scenes. Get ready to have an amazing time, and don't forget to embrace the Danish idea of hygge, being cozy and happy. It's all about enjoying the simple pleasures in life. You're going to love Copenhagen. From its scenic canals to its lively streets, there's something magical around every corner.